How to become a vampire in Bitlife. So in Bitlife, a vampire is one of the premium events you can get in game. So if you go ahead and take a look at the activities over here, it's pretty much locked as it is behind a paywall. So it's a premium activity where you become a vampire and do vampire stuff. But on how you can do this, you can go ahead and purchase it only, since it's one of the only ways you can get this. So in the top left, you can go ahead to the Bitlife marketplace and choose the vampire mode over here and press on get it now. You're gonna go ahead and put in your payment method. So go ahead and do the verifications and whatnot. And if you have enough funds, you can go ahead and buy the vampire mode. You can also go ahead directly here in the main screen. There's a vampire mode as well. You can go ahead and press that. It will lead you directly to the Bitlife marketplace. But as of now, that is pretty much one of the only ways you can get the vampire event in Bitlife, which is through purchasing it in the marketplace. But once you have purchased it, you will be able to go here in the activities and just choose the vampire mode. But that's pretty much how you become a vampire in Bitlife. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.